Today we will start BODMAS, that is let's calculate in step, that is chapter 11. So we will learn about BODMAS. So what is this BODMAS? The B stands for bracket. B is bracket. O means off. D means division. M means multiplication. A is addition. And S is subtraction. So what to do with this? That whenever we will this rule, that is first we will follow bracket, then off. Off is kind of multiplication, but off is no sign is needed. Like multiplication, here we use this kind of sign. For off, we usually do not use any sign. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, we will follow this rule. For bracket, this is called first bracket. So this is the first priority. This is second bracket, second priority and third priority. Now in some cases we use line bracket also. So the first priority is of line bracket. If there is any line bracket, we will always follow this line bracket, then first bracket, then second bracket, then third bracket. Now let us do some this kind of sum. Now let us do this kind of sum. This will be we are starting from the very beginning, that is the first sum we are doing. 12 divided by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 8 into 4 divided by 4 plus 2. So plus 2 is there. Okay. Now here we can see we must do the bracket term first. This bracket we will be done first. So see, here is no sign, that means here is a off, that means off is there. There is no sign here, that means off is there. Now 12 divided by 13 we will do, as we can see, that addition and division. Between addition and division we must do division first. So we will 12 divided by 3, that is 4 plus 2. Now leave this step. Now we will do step by step. In the second also, 8 into 4 divided by 4. Division is first we need to do division, then multiplication. This will be 1 plus 2. Now we need to do multiplication, because addition now before addition we get multiplication. So this will be 6 and there is no sign, that means there is off. So I am writing off. Now in this bracket we have 8 into 1, 8 plus 2. Now 6 of 10, what is 60? So the answer is 60 here. Okay. Now going to the next sum. Here we are doing number 4. Number 4 is same as number 1. Number 6 we are doing. Number 6 we will do in page 137. Let us do some sum from this page 137 also. We will do number 4 here. 7 divided by 3 plus 8, 3 plus 2 minus 1. So as you can see, you have to do this first bracket, then second bracket, then third bracket. So leave this. So first we will go to the first bracket term, that is 3 plus 2 minus 1. Now addition is first, then subtraction. So 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1. Now first bracket work is not done yet. Again we will do 8 minus 5 minus 1 is 4. Now again we will do the second bracket. So what we get? 8 minus 4, that is 4. Now this is the third bracket. Third bracket we need to do 7 divided by 7. So my answer is 1. Okay. Now we are going to page number 140. We will do some sum from this here also. Number 6 we will do from page number 140. So in 140 what we have? Page 6. This divided by 2 divided by 2 into 25 divided by 5. So see, here is the division and multiplication. Division and multiplication both are there. So we will first start from division. Okay. So the first one we can write like this, divided by 4. Now divided by 2 means half. We can write like this. 25 into half. We can write like this. This also we will write. Okay. So 5 getting cancel out. This 2 I am dividing with this. 5, 56. Now dividing with 4, 14. So what I get? 14 into 3 into 5. 14 into 3, we have 42 into 5. So my answer is 210. So the answer will be 210. Now going to number 10. Now going to number 10. What have we number 10? 4. In bracket we have 6 minus 3 like this. So number 10 is 4. In bracket we have 6 minus 3 minus 4, 5 plus 10 plus 6 into 8, 7 minus 2. So whatever here we have to first do, we have to do that is in this kind of first bracket term. So 4, there is nothing, that means off. 6 minus 3 is 3. Minus 4, there is nothing, that is off, 15. Plus 6 into 8 of 7 minus 2, that is 5. Now first we need to do this off term, because off comes before multiplication, addition or subtraction. So this will be 12 minus, this will be 60 plus 6 into 8 of t, that is 40. Again 12 minus 60 plus 240. Now addition comes first. So we need to add 240 plus 12. So 240 plus 10, 250. 250 plus 2, 252 minus 60. ठीक है? So 252 minus 60. Okay? 9. So what I get? 192. This is the answer. Okay. Now number 12. Ankita and Alok went to a market with 8 watermelons. They sold each watermelon at the rate of rupees 40. They divided the money received from the selling all the watermelon between them equally. How much money did each get? Let's write down this mathematical term and then simplify. So we will first write the mathematical term and then we will simplify. So what we have? We have 8 watermelons. So price of one watermelon is 40. One watermelon is 40. Price of then 8 watermelon will be 8 into 40, right? So 8 into 40 is the total money that Ankita and Alok earned. Now they divided into 2 halves because they are 2 persons, so they will equal. So to divide equally, that means we need to divide this money into 2 equal parts. So this will be 8 into 40 divided by 2. Now first we need to do this one, that is 40 into 8. So what we get? 40 into 8 is 320 divided by 2, that is 160. So each of them get rupees 160. Ankita get 160, Alok get 160. Now see at number 13 what is written, that is 3 into 9 is equal to 9 into 3. Is it correct or not? Of course it is correct, because 3 into 9 is we get 27 and 9 into 3 is also 27, so it is correct. But if you see second number, this is what first number, the second number if you see, that is 3 divided by 9 is equal to 9 divided by 3. No, this is not correct, because 3 divided by 9 is 3 by 9. So what we get 1 by 3. But 9 divided by 3, what we get? Only 3. So these are not correct. So for multiplication means if we change the term, that will be not an issue. But for division, we cannot change the term like this. So our bottommost up chapter is done. Number 11 is done. Next day we will do number 12. So you need to complete all the sums in this week.